FOSSweb allows teachers to assign and unassign specific pieces of content to the entire class or to individual students if the class has student accounts. Teachers can assign multimedia, tutorials and virtual investigations, and streaming videos. Most content is available to students by default. The exception to this rule are the tutorials and virtual investigations found in grades 3 through 5. The default for these is to be unassigned. These resources should only be made available to students once they've had the chance to work with the materials directly. This tutorial assumes you have an account on FOSSweb, have activated modules, and have created at least one class. If you need help getting set up, please see the related videos on the FOSSweb Videos walkthrough page. To assign content to a class with common credentials, log into FOSSweb and then scroll down to the My Class Pages section of your My Teacher page. Select the class that you'd like to assign content to and click the Assign Content link. On the next page, choose the module or course for which you'd like to show or hide content. Content that is already available to students is indicated by a green student icon next to the word All. To unassign selected content for the class, simply click the green student icon next to the content you wish to hide. The icon will turn red and the word All will change to the number 0. This means that the content will not display on the class page for any students. To reassign the content for the class, click the red icon again. It will turn green and the word All will appear, indicating that all students can see this content on the class page. For classes with individual student accounts, you can assign or unassign content for all students or for one or more individual students. Scroll down to the My Class Pages section on your teacher page. Click the Assign Content link. Then select the module for which you wish to assign content. To hide content from all students or to assign content to one or more individual students, click the green icon next to the selected piece of content. In the Assign Students pop-up window, deselect the student or students whom you wish to unassign content to and click Save. The student icon will turn orange and display the number of students who have access to that content. Click the icon again to see the list of students with access or to make further changes. For more help with using FOSSweb, please visit the FOSSweb Walkthrough Videos page or our help pages. You can also contact us at support@fossweb.com.